Have you ever wondered what it would take to launch 1,000 ships? Today, we're diving into the epic journey of the Greeks to Troy with their massive fleet. The Trojan War is famously linked to Helen of Troy, whose beauty was said to have launched 1,000 ships. This massive fleet set sail from Greece around 1200 BCE. The Catalogue of Ships, an ancient Greek epic poem, found in Homer's Iliad, lists the contingents and leaders who sailed to Troy. This detailed list includes over 1,000 ships. Each ship was manned by soldiers from various Greek cities, each led by their own chieftain or king. These contingents came together to form a formidable army against Troy. The journey to Troy was not just about numbers, but also about strategic alliances and the political landscape of ancient Greece. Each ship represented a significant contribution from its city-state. The sheer scale of this fleet demonstrates not only the military power, but also the logistical capabilities and unity among Greek states at the time, making it a pivotal moment in ancient history. In summary, the journey of 1,000 ships to Troy is not just a myth, it's a testament to the strategic and logistical prowess of the ancient Greeks. This expedition remains one of history's most epic military endeavors. So there you have it. The incredible story behind 1,000 ships sailing to Troy. What part of this journey surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.